So I am very far away and I'm top of the water. Anything happen right now, I lose this drone. And I love this drone, I don't want to lose it. 350, low battery, I gotta get back. Look at the wind.
Goggles on, the world fades to blue.
What's up, drone pilot? Welcome back. And if you're new here, I'm Neil J and I do crazy stuff with FPV drone. I came here today to fly my GEPRC 5-inch for the first time on top of the water. I'm really nervous. I've never flown it before on top of the water. That's one thing. The other thing is I just got this new batteries for it. It's the 1550 milliamp. This is a huge battery, very heavy, with 150C. So we will see how it's gonna perform today. So I already checked the props, made sure they are very tight, because I'm gonna be on top of the water. There's no return. If I lose it, I lose it. I spend a lot of money on this thing and I love it too. So we'll see how that goes. I needed to do this because next my plan is to go fly it on the beach. And so today I said to myself, the weather is nice, let me go ahead and do some practice on top of the water. It's going to be kind of cinematic, kind of flying. It wouldn't be any kind of freestyle. So welcome aboard and let's go ahead and send it. Already I have 23 satellites. I'm gonna go ahead and arm it and let's go. So this is my first time flying this on top of the water. So I am here to literally do two things. One is to build my self-confidence to fly on top of the water so I can take it to the beach. And second is I'm trying this new battery. It's the 1550. It's a huge battery. I'm expecting to get like at least 10 minutes out of it. We will find out. So here I am. I'm building my full self-confidence right now. Let me at least show you the area. Okay, here is the area. Be flying. I'm right there. I'm not going to lie, I'm very nervous. I don't know if you notice, I have my finger far away from the arm and this arm button because one time I did something really stupid. I was flying and for no apparent reason I switched the disarm button for no reason. Just turn it off. I don't know why, I don't know what makes me do that. It just went like this. So I'm kind of being very cautious right now. I don't want to be doing anything stupid on top of the water. I'm not on top of the water yet, but in a minute I will. Let's go ahead and get on top of the water. So there are a few islands over here on top of the water. I used to come all the time fly it with the Avara. I haven't yet built myself confident with this one. That's what I'm doing right now. So I am top of the water. And this is the first time really I go that far with it. I usually just fly it around me. So I am very far away and I'm top of the water. Anything happen right now, I lose this drone. And I love this drone, I don't want to lose it. Those are the islands I was telling you about. They always like have some birds in them, especially in the evening when it's time for them to sleep. I am right here. Let's go ahead and buzz the tower. Make sure nobody around first. Being top of the water is very scary for me right now. Look at these birds. Birds. Birds everywhere. Sorry for disturbance. Let me get away from them. I don't want to disturb them. The 5-inch is very loud. It is very loud. You can't fly it and people will not notice it. That's almost impossible. My Seeker 35 deep space is the loudest. That one is very loud, but it's a beast. It goes fast. What's the tower? You hear it? So I have a GPS signal. If I ever lose the signal right now, it should come back. Safe rescue is on. Let's go ahead and do some little bit close flying to the water, but not too close. Like I said, I'm still building my self-confidence. I'm looking at the battery, 3.6 right now, 3.65. I'm good on the battery. Whew, that's very close to the water. I mean, on my other drones, I get much closer, but honestly, not on this one, for obvious reasons. Okay, I didn't disturb the birds this time. That was nice. So beautiful being on top of the water, but so scary at the same time. Look at that storm over there. So I'm keeping it cinematic right now. I have 5 minutes of flying. I don't want to get too close to the birds. I'm just gonna clip them here. It's getting windy right now. I don't know if you can hear the wind, but it's getting windy here. It wasn't windy when I got here. I think it's because of that storm over there. See it? It's raining over there. Whoa, where all this one came from? That's scary. And the wind is blowing toward the water, so I'm gonna be encountering. Whoa, look at those birds. I get too close to those birds. I'm going against the wind right now. That's why it's going really slow. I don't want to be too far out in the water and not able to bring it because I don't have enough battery. Oh wow, what happened to this wind, man? Interesting. Was in the tower. Okay, I needed to be a little bit close so I can feel more comfortable. I'm not very comfortable right now because the wind is blowing hard. I'm not going far away. I'm just gonna stay here around right now. I have 3.55 in the battery. Okay, see now the wind is coming from behind. So that's what's scaring me because the wind is gonna be coming. Oh no. Oh my God, what's going on? This is getting really windy right now. I have no idea what happened, y'all. It has to be the storm. It's pushing some surface wind right now. That storm over there. Look, I'm going straight, but I'm actually being pushed to the right. 350 on the battery, very close to comfort. I can't even talk anymore. I'm just gonna have to bring it back. 8 minutes and a half. I think I should get more than that. Look the wind. 350, low battery. I gotta get back. Look the wind. The wind is blowing. All right, it's back. I don't know what happened. It got so windy all of a sudden. It's back. I'm not sure. I think I get like, let me record the screen here so I can show you. 9 minutes and 16 seconds. 9 minutes and 16 seconds, that's not bad. I thought I was gonna be able to make about 10. So here it is, it's back. And it was a lot of fun. Scary at the same time too. But here I am, I'm building my self-confidence, and hopefully next time I'll get closer to the water and I do some kind of crazy maneuver on top of the water. For now, bear with me till I get more comfortable with it. This 5-inch is amazing. I can't wait till I go down to the beach with it. I'm not going there yet. I still have a lot of self-confidence to build. We appreciate you watching. Appreciate you joining me. And thank you if you subscribe. And if you haven't, please do. Don't forget to like. And any question you have, please leave it down below in the comment section. And we will see you in the next one.
Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. See you on the next video.